Here I said we should also plot a graph of what? Y is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. And this is a linear equation. That means a linear equation simply means that I'm going to draw a straight line. Am I making sense? A straight what? Line. So let's go. Now coming here, I have actually prepared the table. But you see, the value of x didn't reach up to 5, right? Now, it simply means that it is not necessary. But if you have excess time in the exam, you can even fill it up to 5. It's your time that you are wasting. Are we there? But what you need to do is that get the starting point, get the middle point, and get the finishing point. That's what you need. 3 points. Okay? Which is minus 3 is the starting point. I'll put it here. 0 is the middle, or 1. Okay? 1 is the middle. So you can even choose either 0 or 1. Are we there? So I'll choose 1. Middle. Then, where is the last point? 5. Now, do you see? These 3 points is enough to connect a straight line. Do you grab? So, from minus 3, I draw the line. It passes through what? 1 and end at where? At 5. Are you following now? Okay. So, now, what will now be the value of this box here? I'm going to use this equation and solve all three. Let's go. Coming here, the value of x is what? Is minus 3. So, put the minus 3 here. Now become 2 times minus 3 is what? Minus 1, 6. So let's go. Put the 1 here. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 times 5 is what? 10. Then plus 3 doesn't have s, right? Then you run through. Now plus 3, and plus 3. Okay, so let's get the value of y. Minus 6 plus 3 is what? Is what? Minus 3.
Hey.
Then 2 plus 3 is what? Is 5. Then 10 plus 3 is what? 13. So my table is what? Is ready. So let me go and plot this table inside the same what? Graph. Are you there? Alright. So now let's go. Where's my red marker? Okay? I'm going to plot the graph for this one, for this table. So let's go. I have minus 3 here. I will look for minus 3 for x. So this is where I have minus 3 for x. I see it. Then I'll look for minus 3 for y. Where is minus 3 here? I'll look for it. Remember, the value of my tiny line in the y-axis is what? Is 0. What? 0.4. So let me find 3 here. So here is 0. First one is what? 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, 2, right? We go again. 2.4, 2.8, 3.2. So you see, between 2.8 and 3.2 is where I have what? 3. Are we there? So I'll put my point here. Okay? So let me connect it to what? To 3. So I'll connect it to 3. I'll connect to 3. Okay, so here, you have the 3. Okay? Are we there? Alright, so let's go again. Then we have what? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. So 1 on the what? On the x-axis. Then 5 on the positive what? Y-axis. So let's now look for 5. So from 4, we head to 5. Let's go. 4, 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. So in between 5.2 and 4.8 is where I have 5, right? And that should be here. Okay? That should be here.
You go to 4.6.
Sorry?
You go to 4.6.
Let's go again. 4, right? 4.4, 4.8. Okay, sorry. 4, 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. Right? So in between 5.2 and 4.8 is where I have what? 5. Are we there? Okay, so let's connect it to what? 5. So where is 5 there? 5, okay, sorry. The 5 on the what? On the y-axis, and what? 1 on the x-axis. So let's connect two of them. So let's connect. Okay, so here. Alright, so you see that? So 1 and 5. So let's go. Last one is what? 5 on x, 13 on the what? On the y. So here is 5. Let me look for 13 here. Let's go. 12, 12.4, 12.8, 13.2. So in between 12.8 and 13.2 is where I have what? Where I have what? 13. Right? Hope you can see it. Yes. Okay, so let's do it. I'll connect it to what? To I'll move. Okay, so here at 5. Okay, let's see here at 5. Alright, so I see that. So you see 13, okay, alright, against what? 5. So this is the meeting point. Are we there? Next thing is what? Is to stand there. Now you see, this is my starting point. Are you there? This is the middle, and this is the what? The finishing point. Okay? So I can now do what? Draw my straight line and connect. Okay, so connect. Let's connect. Okay, so I'm adding this. Okay. Alright, so can you see something there? Alright, now I've gotten my straight line, okay? I will circle the points. So let me circle the points. I'll circle the points. 1, 2, and what? 3. So now I've gotten my points. I believe you have done this. Okay? You have done this. Let me see your hands. To do is what? Sorry, nothing to do is what? Is to label the curve. Are you there? Label the what? The curve. Now, what is the equation guiding the curve? You put it there. Look at. You can choose where to put it. Anywhere you see space, you put it. You can even use here to write your equation, or even use here to write your equation. But avoid here because something can come in here. Right there, you can use here and what? Here. Am I making sense? So I prefer to use here. So let me label my curve. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay? I've labeled the curve. Who has done this? Okay? Now, what's the next thing there? It to label the straight line. To do what? Label the what? The straight line. So let me label my straight line. So, my straight line, which is what? Y is equal to 2x plus what? 3. Now, the reason why I'm doing all these things is to show you where examiner will deduct mark from your word in your graph. So I'm making sure I'm not leaving any stone on top. I'm touching every part. So once you're done with your curve, what do? You label your curve and label your straight line. So that it will help the examiner to know which equation is guiding the curve and which equation is what? Is guiding the what? The straight line. Am I making sense?